Introducing the EVAPLUS 42V2A 84W power adapter, designed for Lime scooter chargers and compatible with various electric scooter models. This power adapter is compatible with Ninebot G30LP, ES2, ES4, ES1L, F20, F30, F40, E22, E25, Xiaomi M365 Pro, Pro 2, Lime S, and Hiboy S2R electric scooters with 36V Li-ion battery. Featuring a US-style plug and a 100-240V 50-60 Hz input, this adapter delivers a fast charging output of 42V2 amps for lithium-ion electric scooter batteries. Indicator lights on the adapter help determine charging status. A red light indicates charging, while a green light signals a completed charge. With a one-prong RCA connector and a satisfaction guarantee, this EVAPLUS power adapter is the perfect choice for your electric scooter charging needs.